Next topic is about water purification. How can we purify the water? Purification of water. We get drinking water from rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and so on. The water from these water bodies need to be purified before we can drink it. Water that is suitable for drinking is called potable water. So, what is potable water? Water that is suitable for drinking is called potable water. Due to high levels of water pollution, aquatic animals face a great threat of extinction than land animals. That means the water animals are disappearing faster than land animals. Water from rivers, lakes, or reservoirs is brought through channels to a water treatment plant. Here, the water is first filtered to remove solid impurities. It is then treated with chemicals to kill the germs in it. So, after removing the solid impurities, water is treated with chemicals to remove the or kill the germs in it. Purified water is then pumped into huge water tanks in each locality. Water from these tanks reaches our house through a network of pipes. Even this purified water may get contaminated on the way as the pipes gets rusted or develop leaks. Therefore, people boil water or use water purifiers to purify drinking water. So, we have to boil water or use water purifiers in order to purify the drinking water. How can we keep the drinking water clean? Water vessels containing drinking water should always be kept covered. Otherwise, dust particles or insects may fall into it. Do not drink water that has been stored for a long time as it may contain germs. Use it to water plants. Always use a cup with a long handle when taking out drinking water from a pot so that your fingers do not touch the water. And we have also studied a true story of Plachimada, small village. The villagers living discovered that the water level has gone down. There was not enough water for their daily use. The water shortage was caused by a soft drink manufacturing company. The company was drawing millions of liters of underground water. The villagers protested and they complained to the panchayat which supported them. They took the company to the court and they had a ruling in their favor and the company had to close down the factory. Okay, that is about Plachimada. Why is the water in the rivers, ponds and lakes are not fit for drinking? Water in the rivers, ponds and lakes are polluted. Drinking polluted water causes diseases, so they are not fit for drinking. Once again, why is the water in the rivers, ponds and lakes are not fit for drinking? Water in the rivers, ponds and lakes are polluted. Drinking polluted water causes diseases, so they are not fit for drinking. Explain the process by which the water is purified in a water treatment plant. Water brought into the water treatment plant is first filtered to remove solid impurities. Then it is treated with chemicals to kill the germs in it. Water brought into the water treatment plant is first filtered to remove the solid impurities, and after removing the solid impurities, it is treated with chemicals. What is potable water? How can we purify water at home? Water suitable for drinking is called potable water. We can boil water or use water purifier to purify water at home. Water is very precious. Why? Water is very precious because we have very few freshwater resources on earth. Animals and human beings need water to live. Once again, water is very precious because we have very few freshwater resources on earth. Animals and human beings need water to live. What are the different ways in which water gets polluted? People have a bath, wash clothes and utensils, dumping waste, chemicals and pesticides pollute water. What are the different ways in which water gets polluted? People have a bath, wash clothes and utensils. Dumping waste, chemicals and pesticides pollute water. Write any two ways to keep the drinking water clean. Vessels containing drinking water should always be kept covered. Always keep a long handle cup to take drinking water from the pot. Once again, write any two ways to keep the drinking water clean. Vessels containing drinking water should always be kept covered. Always keep a long handled cup to take drinking water from the pot. Name two diseases that spreads by drinking polluted water. Cholera and dysentery. Two diseases that spreads by drinking polluted water. Cholera and dysentery. Dash causes water pollution. Answer is chemicals and pesticides. Marine life is affected by pollution caused by oil spills. Marine life is affected by pollution caused by oil spills. At the water treatment plant, the water is first filtered to remove solid impurities. Solid impurities. Fresh water is a dash resource. Answer is precious. Water fit for human consumption is called potable water. Water fit for human consumption is called potable water. When solid impurities have been removed from water, it is treated with chemicals. Name the following. Any one way in which water gets polluted in a city. By dumping the waste or untreated sewage. Any one way in which solid impurities can be removed from water? By using purifiers. Any one way in which germs can be removed from water, that is boiling. Germs can be removed by boiling. So with this we come to an end of our lesson, water pollution. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.